Hello, today I'm going to talk about the GCFI and the 3-prong outlet. Okay. Say for example, you got a short somewhere. But you just don't know what. And why is a 3-prong outlet? What's the purpose of a 3-prong outlet? Just in case of extra surge, extra power in that. It would actually, 3-prong is, the third wire is actually a ground, so the extra surge know where to go, instead of going through your body or the electronic. And so is the GCFI that's protect from water. It's automatically, if it detect moisture, it trigger it and turn it off. So a good tool is for 3-prong. This is the tool I use for a 3-prong, just in case. Say for example, you go to one of your property and they say they plug in electronic, and it won't tell you, but this will tell you if it's if anything's short. If it's the neutral, if it's the hot, or you're not getting the hot, you're not getting the neutral, or you're not getting the ground. It's for a 3-prong, and you know how back in the day they only used 2-prong, and that's just neutral and it's just a neutral and the hot. This is either called a 3-prong or called a ground. Okay, some people call it a ground outlet. But the way you go is, I'm going to show you something wrong with it. I did it for a reason, to show you what's wrong with it. Turn the power on. You got 0, right? You plug in. Remember how you hook it? You got 2 eyes in the top, and then you got a mouth right here in the middle. That's how you hook it. Some people got it backward and not everything, Should always like it. A smiley face or old face. Right? So you got 0 watt right now. Okay. When you plug it in, show red. Right? Instead of green, it show red. But there's an arrow key right there. But there's an arrow key right here. It tells you what's missing. Okay, it say open ground. Okay, open ground. I mean, a ground wire is missing, and it's 122 watt. See, open ground, 122 watt. And I'm going to tell you, this also, the GCFI, also, so 0, or when you plug it, everything's still running. But say for example, it still work, but you got that extra protection. Some people don't run it. Some people I see, they clip the ground wire off. It's there for a reason. Okay. 122 and open ground. Let me go fix that real quick, and I'm going to show you the result. Okay, I'm back now. Remember the 3-prong is it's just extra protection. It does not give you any extra wattage or anything. It's just an extra protection. Now we're going to test it out. Watch. Turn the power on. I just add the ground to it. Now watch. There you go. You see green light? And it say 122 watt. And it's also say correct. Okay? 122 watt, correct. And that's what, if you don't know what open ground means, missing that ground wire. That's what open ground means. Okay, just like this one, it was missing ground wire also. Watch the green light. When the green light goes, I mean it's good. Okay, you see it? Green light's on. And correct. It's a good tool, yeah, to have. This is a good tool to have. So, as you can see, like I say, correct. Like if you have an older house, you have 3 prong, and you plug it. They say open ground. You know you have no ground wire connected to it. Okay, that's what open ground means. But the rest of them you should know. If they're missing a hot wire, and they tell you that. If you're missing a neutral wire, they tell you that. So, but if you just didn't know what open ground means. All right. Thank you for watching my video. If you like, please subscribe. I appreciate it.